Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Bhavdat Studies. Today let's discuss a very important topic for every exams, that is finding the units place digit. In finding the units place digit, you need to follow some 4 conditions. Let's start with the first one. Okay, in the process to find the units place digit, if the product of numbers are given, the products of units place digit should be found out. If there is a tens place digit in the product, then take only units place digit of that number and continue the process of multiplication. Let's understand this by taking an example. If you are given these numbers to be multiplied and find out its units place digit. First, what you have to do is you have to multiply the units place values, that is 4 into 8 into 5 into 9. Here again multiply 4 into 8, you will get 32, and you have to multiply 5 into 9, you will get 45. In these numbers again you have to take the unit place values, that is 2 into 5, you will get 10. Therefore, after multiplying this whole number, the units place digit that you will be getting is 0, since in 10 the units place value is 0. Okay, if the number given is in the index form, then how you have to find the units place digit? There, let us take the first condition. If the units place digit of exponential 0, 1, 5, 6 are given, then the units place digit will remain 0, 1, 5, 6 respectively. For example, in this given number, the units place digit is 6. Therefore, after solving the whole problem, the units place digit that you are getting will remain 6 itself. If you want to take the other example, as if it is given 1, 0, 4, 6, 5, 9, 5, the to the power 243, the units place digit here in this number will be 5. Therefore, after solving the question, the units place digit that you will be getting remains 5 itself. Okay, coming to the second condition. If the units place digit of exponential 4 and 9 are or will remain 4 and 9 respectively for odd numbers, but they changes to 6 and 1 respectively for even numbers or even powers. Let's understand this by an example. See, in the first example, in the given problem, the units place digit is 9, but the power they have given is odd. Therefore, after solving the whole problem, the units place digit that you will get will be 9. If you are taking another problem, see here, it is the given units place digit is 4 and the exponential power remains odd here. Therefore, the answer after solving the units place digit will remain 4 itself. Okay. Take the other example here, 306214. Here in this problem, the units place digit value is 4, but the exponential power they have given is 222, which is even power. Therefore, if it is 4 the units place digit and the exponential power is even, then you will get, after solving the whole problem, the units place digit you will be getting is 6. Take the other example. As they have said here, in this problem the units place digit is 9, but the given exponential power is even. For 9 and the given exponential power even, after solving the problem, the units place digit that you are getting is 1. Let's take the third condition. As we had seen, the numbers 0, 1, 5, 6 and 4, 9 are being already solved. Other than that, if in the units place digit of exponential power of numbers are 2, 3, 7, 8 are calculated by dividing the powers by 4 and taking remainder as new power. Let's understand this by an example. See here, in this given example, the units place digit in the number is 7 and the exponential power is 550. What you have to do to calculate the units place digit after the solution is, you have to divide this exponential power by 4. Once you divide this by 4, the remainder you will get will 2. What you have to do is, you have to take this 7, that is the units place digit, and to the exponential power you have to take the remainder that you have got, that is 2. What will be the 7 square? You will get 49. Therefore, the units place digit here after solving this whole sum will be 9. Okay. In case after dividing this by 4, if you get the remainder as 0, that is C. If remainder is 0, then take 4 as the new exponential power of the number instead of 0. Okay. See here, in this given problem, the exponential power is 552. If you are dividing this by 4, you will be getting the remainder as 0. What you have to do now? You have to take the units place digit value, that is 7. Since you have got the remainder as 0, you have to take you have to take 4 as the exponential power. What will be 7 power 4? You will get 2401. Therefore, the units place digit for this will remain as 1. Okay. These are the various conditions that you have to follow according to the given situations. The examples on this we'll see in the next video. If you find it as valuable, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.